I stated before, if I really want oil, I just go outside and start slapping people in the face, drain their body of salt and oil. But not right now. Anyway, this is my oil, my compound, my lapping compound, which we all know what lapping compound is. It's a or piston compound, which when I get my truck, I'm going to use it for my truck as well. But anyway, as you see, I filter it. If I had a proper setup, I can enclose a container on the stuff and I can boil it around. And Fahrenheit around 890 Fahrenheit and Celsius around, what was it? 700 Celsius in Kelvin would be about 1000 Fahrenheit, and I would get everything out of it. But I would use layers to get the weight I want because I want oil. But right now, what went through the filters I have made was water, oil, some tiny minerals, some minerals that's able to penetrate the filter, which is why I'm leaving up here like this until all of it go out. What I'm going to do now is let this keep draining. Oh no, oh, okay, then go to let this keep draining, and after that, I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing.